Hello everyone, welcome to Operating System tutorial. Myself Professor Nimesh Vaid from Gromor Faculty of Engineering. In this tutorial I will discuss about the example on page replacement algorithm by FIFO, LRU and Optimal. Dear student, before watching this video, I suggest to you please refer my previous video. There are three techniques used in page replacement algorithm, FIFO and then LRU and then Optimal. So there are three page replacement algorithm. Why we are using this algorithm? Because by using this algorithm we can find out less page fault. We will see one by one by the example. First algorithm is FIFO, means first in, first out. Whatever first enter in its page is delete first. It means replace the page that has been in memory the longest time. Let us consider an example. Taking reference string, these all are the page number of which is CPU demand. And if CPU demand any page which is not present in main memory, then page fault will be occurs. If page is present in main memory, then page hit will be occurs. Frame size is 3. It means only 3 pages present at a one time. When you starting system, then main memory always free. It means RAM is free. Now example, CPU demand page number 7. CPU demand page number 7. Now CPU demand page number 7 which is not currently present into main memory, means in frame. So page fault will be occurs. Here in our example, X indicate page fault. Now CPU demand page number 0 which is not currently present into main memory. So operating system is from transfer secondary memory to main memory, and 0 is currently not present into main memory, means in frame. So page fault will be occurs. Now CPU demand page number 0 which is not currently present into main memory. So operating system is transfer from secondary memory to primary memory, means main memory, means in frame. So page fault will be occurs. By FIFO algorithm, 7 will be swept out because 7 enter first. Now CPU demand page number 0 which is already present into main memory. So 0 is overlap on 0. So page hit will be occurs. In next step, CPU demand page number 3 which is not currently present into main memory. So operating system is transfer from secondary memory to primary memory. In our example, by the FIFO algorithm, 0 is enter first. It means 0 will be swept out. So in place of 0, 3 will be entered. Now CPU demand page number 0 which is not currently present into main memory. So 0 is replaced on the 1 because 1 is first in. So 1 will be swept out and page fault will be occurs. Now CPU demand page number 4 which is not currently present into main memory. So by FIFO algorithm, 4 is placed on the 2 because 2 is first in. So 2 will be swept out. Now CPU demand page number 0 and 0 will be replaced on the 4 because 4 is first in. So 4 will be swept out. Now CPU demand page number 3 which is already present into main memory. So 3 will be overlap on 3. So page hit will be occurs. Now CPU demand page number 2, which is not currently present into main memory. So 2 will be overlapped on 3 because 3 is first in, so 3 will be swapped out. Now 0 and 1 overlap on 0 and 1 respectively because 0 and 1 is already present into main memory. Now CPU demand for page number 7, which is not currently present into main memories, so page fault will be occurs. In next step, operating system is transfer from secondary memory to primary memory, and 7 is replaced on 0 because 0 is first in, so 0 will be swapped out. At last, CPU demand page number 1, which is not currently present into main memory, so page fault will be occurs, and operating system is transfer from secondary memory to primary memory, and 1 is replaced on 7 because 7 is first in, so 7 will be swapped out. 3 will be swapped out. You can see by the using FIFO algorithm page fault will be 15. Now our second algorithm is LRU. So we are going to learn about LRU. LRU stands for least recently used. It means you have to choose frame which is least recently used. So what is least recently used? Suppose you have to position same as the previous example, CPU demand page number 0, which is not currently present into main memory, so it will transfer from secondary memory to primary memory, and page fault will be occurs. Same situation will be occurs in 0 and 1, and page fault will be occurs. Now suppose you have to position number 2, it means CPU demand page number 2 in by using the least recent use, means LRU algorithm. 7 is least recently used, so 2 is replaced on 7, means 7 is swapped out, and at place of the 7 2 will be occurs. Now 0 is overlap on 0, so page hit will be occurs. Now CPU demand page number 3, which is not currently present into main memory, so it will be replaced on the 1 because 1 is least recently used, so 1 will be swapped out, and page fault will be occurs. In next step, CPU demand page number 4, which is not currently present into main memory, so it will be transferred from secondary memory to primary memory, and 2 will be least recently used, means 2 will be swapped out, so in place of 2 4 will be entered. Now CPU demand page number 0, which is not currently present into main memory, so it will be transferred from secondary memory to primary memory, and 4 is least recently used, so in place of 4 0 will be entered, and 4 will be swapped out. 3 and 2 will be overlap on 3 and 2 respectively, so page hit will be occurs. Now 1 will be replaced on 0 because 0 is least recently used. Now CPU demand page number 0, and 0 or 3 is least recently used, so in place of 3 0 will be occurs, and page fault will be occurs. 0 and 1 will be overlap on 0 and 1 respectively, so page hit will be occurs. So now you can see by using LRU algorithm, total page fault will be 12. Now our third algorithm is optimal. Optimal means we are going to see reference number in future, means upcoming pages will be identified. Let us see how it will be. Up to 1 means 701, all three example is same. So now let us on see 2. In order to bring 2 from secondary memory to main memory, which is going to be used in later case, that will be replaced. Means 7 is, it means 7 is referred here, 0 is referred here, and 1 is referred here. So 7 is referred after 0 and 1. So 7 is replaced by 2. Now 0 is overlap on 0 because 0 is already present into main memory. So page hit will be occurs. Now you can see in example 1 is referred by 0 and 2. So 1 is swapped out. In place of 1, 3 will be entered. Now 0 is overlap on 0. So page hit will be occurs. You can see in example 0 is referred after 2 and 3. So in place of 0, 4 will be occurs. So page fault will be occurs. 2 and 3 overlap on 2 and 3 respectively. So page hit will be occurs. Now you can see in example 4 will be never used in features. So 0 will be enter in place of 4 and page fault will be occurs. You can see in example 3 is not used in future. So in place of 3, 1 will be entered. Now 2, 0 and 1 overlap on 2, 0 and 1 overlap on 2, 0 and 1 respectively. So page hit will be occurs. 2, 0 and 1. Now 0 and 1 required in future. So in place of 2, 7 will be entered. 0 and 1 overlap on 0 and 1 respectively. So by using optimal algorithm, total page fault is 9.